Even though they clean up easily, it's probably not best to store Magswitch tools where metal is raining down on them. And as my collection has grown, that's exactly what I've been doing. Well, that or just setting them on the floor or on whatever open surface is closest to me. Not ideal, so I need a good solution for myself and likely for others with significant Magswitch collections. So today I'm prototyping what I intend to be a tool storage wall that Magswitch can sell. I'm making this one out of 16th inch sheet because I have that on hand and I want to get rid of it. And I'm just stiffening it up with some plywood on the back. But the real product would be made of 1/8 inch thick sheet, so it wouldn't need any stiffening up. And this video also gives me a great opportunity to tell you about the Father's Day sale that Magswitch has going on. So if you're looking to start or expand your Magswitch collection, really great deals going on if you are watching this on June 21st, 2020. If not, there's always some kind of deal I can get you. Check out the description anyway, but definitely if you're catching this on Father's Day 2020, check out the description for the deals that Magswitch has going. All right, with that said, let's get this thing built. So I like this concept to hang the tool wall because it makes it possible to locate the anchor points on the studs even if they aren't positioned exactly 16 inches apart. And it also makes the tool wall removable and portable in case you want to bring all of the tools across the shop or move them around. You know, for some people maybe you never use it and it doesn't hurt you, and for some it could be really useful. So I figured it would be just a nice way to set up the anchoring of the tool wall. So this is definitely an improvement for my workshop and hopefully a useful concept for others. As always, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.